Hi, my name is Simon Barrett from Silverline Tools. I'm here today to talk about our range of extension cords. All of the products in our category come with a PVC coated heavy duty jacket. This gives us operating temperatures in our standard product from -40 degrees to 60, and in our extreme product range from -50 to 105. They also offer flame retardance and water resistance. All of the products in the range also are a 12 gauge wire. If you compare that to a standard cord on say a power tool, which might be a 16 to an 18 gauge wire, significantly more copper. They also feature a ground wire and a 3-pin plug. The products in the range are 50 feet, and that offers you a maximum draw of 15 amps, or 100 foot, which offers you a maximum draw of 12 amps.